Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. I am Sukartono from Department of Soil Science, Faculty of Agriculture, University of Mataram. My presentation today is about soil characteristics and maize yield under various conservation soil tillage techniques in the tropical semi-arid of southern Lombok, Indonesia. The objective of my study was to evaluate the effect of some conservation soil tillage techniques and legumes cover crops on soil characteristic and maize yields in the tropical semi-arid of southern Lombok, Indonesia. The study was conducted in rain-fed area of southern Lombok, where 90% of rainfall occurred during December to April. It was recorded that annual rainfall at that time in 2017 to 2018 was 1,200 millimeter. Soil type is inceptisols with a very low soil fertility status. Split block design was used to set up soil tillage techniques as main plot and types of legume as subplots. Soil tillage techniques including no-tillage, ripening, permanent planting hole, and conventional tillage as practiced by local farmers. And four types of legumes, namely lap, coffee hybrid bean, which is a hybrid of coffee and long bean, and also mucuna. Land cultivation was done according to the tillage treatments. Maize was sown at each main plot with spacing of 70 cm x 40 cm. And legume cover crops were planted at 3 weeks after planting of maize as cover crops. Seed of legumes were planted in between maize line. My results show that tillage practice have significant effect on soil characteristics and also on component yield of maize, grain yield and air weight of maize. And there is no significant effect of cover crop, and also there is no interaction observed in this experiment. So we can see that the three tillage conservation practices here improve soil physical characteristics indicated by higher value of porosity. Means that the application of conservation tillage practice resulted in a good soil aeration. So the positive effect of soil tillage practices also observed in soil chemical characteristic, including C organic, total nitrogen, phosphor, potassium, and CEC. So overall, we can see that the application of conservation tillage practices improve soil fertilities, including soil physical and soil chemical, except particle density, soil texture, and pH. Improve of soil fertility resulted in higher yield in conservation tillage practice as compared to the conventional tillage practice. The conclusion of our research here, conservation soil tillage techniques improve soil fertility and also produce higher yield compared to maize grown under conventional tillage. Mean yield of maize under three tillage practices, including permanent hole, soil ripening, no-tillage, were 5.58 ton per hectare, 5.10 ton per hectare, and 5.07 ton per hectare respectively. These yields reach 31% up to 42% higher compared to maize at conventional plot, which was 3.85 ton per hectare. So conservation tillage practice may become alternative to replace conventional tillage to provide better soil fertility and sustain maize production in the region. Because the experiment was only done in 1 year, so the confirmation based on long-term study of the cropping sequence under multi-location and different soil types in the semi-arid tropical region may be necessary. And also possibility adoption of using legume cover crop and conservation tillage technique as part of conservation agriculture need to be sound. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much.